Are you looking for a penthouse on the top floor with over 9-foot ceilings under $700,000 in the heart of Coquitlam? Well, my name is Denise Mai.
And I'm in Ngo. This unit offers 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, almost 750 square feet of living space in the prestigious neighborhood of Cottonwood.
This area is absolutely amazing. You've got the park right around the corner. You're only a short walk to Skytrain. Tons of amenities, shopping, and so much more. And we can't wait
To give you a tour. Come on in.
Welcome home to your penthouse. As you come on in, you have 0 wasted square footage. You're greeted by your open concept kitchen. You have these beautiful white quartz countertop with an island, and you've got the 2-tone cabinetry with the white cabinets on top and the darker brown on the bottom. You also have a stainless steel full-size Whirlpool fridge plus a stove top. This is perfect for those of you who love to cook and really entertain. This home is perfect for you. And as you transition now from your kitchen into your dining and living room area, this fits normally a dining room table with this beautiful light fixture as well. And as you move on through to the living room area, you're greeted by these high 10-foot ceilings. And look at this massive couch that you have. You're overlooking your beautiful, serene courtyard. And you've got 2 large bedrooms on either side. This home is so perfect for entertaining.
Step outside to your private enclosed patio balcony where you're overlooking the Cottonwood Park, which is steps away from your unit. Location here is key.
Cottonwood Park is your backyard, a newly renovated park that's only steps away. It's the perfect place to enjoy the outdoors and unwind.
You're 2 minutes walking distance from the 2 elementaries here of Lord Stibbs and Mountain View Elementary. You're just a short walk away from the Burquitlam Skytrain Station, making your commute a breeze. And not to mention the city of Lougheed and the Lougheed Mall.
This home is not going to last long. Remember, you are on the penthouse with over 10-foot ceilings in the heart of Coquitlam.
Do not miss this rare opportunity to make this neighborhood your own.
If you want to take a look at this amazing property, feel free to contact either one of us. My name is Denise Mai.
And my name is Min Ngo.
And we're more than happy to set up our private viewing with you and subscribe for more great content like this.